Square bottle, unscrambler machine. It can accommodate a large number of cans for use by the next machine in the automated production line. Empty can UV sterilization and cleaning machine. Simple structure, easy to operate and use. Ultraviolet sterilization and dust blowing and cleaning are integrated, saving labor costs, improving the automation of the production line, and improving production efficiency. Circulating heating channel drying tank. Automatic double-head lobe pump filling machine, including automatic filling anti-drip design. It is suitable for filling various liquids and viscous materials. Auto servo can seaming machine is applicable to tin cans, aluminum cans, plastic cans, and composite paper can, etc. Paste labeling machine is a linear, fully automatic labeling machine. During operation, a small amount of glue is evenly applied to the labeling rod using a rubber roller, and then the label is attached to the label box. After being hooked by the label removal claw, the label is transferred to the vacuum box belt. And the suction force of the vacuum box is used to flatten the label, absorbed on the belt, and squeeze it onto the bottles being transported. Linear type dust-proof cap press capping machine. The degree of automation is high. Automatic lowering of covers and automatic capping, greatly improving production efficiency.